Hello my olives, welcome back to my channel. I've been doing a lot of daily vlogs recently, so it's nice to just sit down and do a video like this. My last makeup video was my everyday go-to look that I do for photos and videos, and that was more of a glam kind of look. But now that it's summer here in Australia, I've been really into no makeup looks, very glowy and natural. And I've been trying to use more cream products because I tend to use powder products since I have oily combination skin. Powders are just easier and quicker for me to use and also help hide the shine. I get a lot of shine in my T-zone when I wear makeup. But yeah, I think last time I asked if you wanted to see my cream version of my go-to makeup look, and some of you said yes, so let's get into it. Just gonna put a headband on. I just washed my hair, so my curls are looking fresh. I'm gonna film a curly hairstyles video next. I just didn't want to do it today because I'm going out for dinner and I didn't want to like touch my hair and mess up my hair a lot. I wanted my hair to be nice for dinner, so I bought a lot of makeup during Black Friday sales from Sephora and Mecca, and I also got vouchers for those two places for my birthday. So I went a little crazy, but yeah, I'll show you the new products I've been using. Starting with this MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Gold Light Spray, and this is key to a glowy, a very dewy, vibrant look. I just feel like it adds so much. I've seen such a difference like taking photos and stuff. So you have to shake it and then you can see all the gold liquid shaking around, and it has gold sparkles. It leaves a bit of a sparkle on your face as well, so if you don't like that then maybe don't try this, but I like a bit of sparkle. So yeah, moisturized, and now I'm going to spray this. I always spray my face with something before I do makeup, whether it's that one which I recently got, or I've got this Ella Blush Rose Hydration Mist. I use that a bit, and also the Fenty Beauty What It Do Refreshing Spray, which you can see I've used a lot in the past few months. So in summer I don't actually like wearing foundation. I just feel like it's so heavy on the skin when you feel hot and you want your skin to just breathe. So yeah, I don't use foundation, and I won't use foundation in this tutorial, but I will suggest some nice ones that are nice and light and good for glowy natural looks. And these are both recently bought too. So I got this Morphe Hint Skin Tint, and this one's actually really affordable. Love the packaging, but it's super light and it's more of a skin tint, not moisturizer, but it's not a heavy foundation. So and then also this Hourglass Vanish foundation stick. I'm sure you've seen me talk about this one. I used to use it a lot maybe a year ago, and then I switched to Fenty foundations, but I just wanted to get a new one, and one that matches my new summer tan shades. So yeah, this is great for summer. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. Another one I've been using is the Hourglass Primer Serum, which is very, very hydrating, extremely dewy. I know this one's really expensive, but I luckily got it sent from Mecca. So yeah, this one smells amazing too, but I feel like I'm gonna use the Fenty one today. If you want to know about my skincare routine, I just posted a vlog where I go through it. I also go through a wash day, so if you like watching wash days and curl stuff as well as skincare, watch my latest vlog. I like this primer because it's not super heavy, it's just really nice and light and you can't really feel it on your skin. So yeah, for this vibe I don't wear foundation. I'm going to go straight in with concealer, and I'm going to use the Infallible More Than Concealer from L'Oreal. I tried to cover a pimple there with concealer, but it's kind of coming through now. So I just do a line like that, and then a line up, line down, line up. Then I use a little sponge. Sorry, it's like pretty dirty. I have to wash my sponges after this. But I always dampen my sponge with a spray. I have a NARS concealer and a Fenty concealer, but they're both too light for me now since I've gotten tan. And I ordered a new Fenty concealer from Sephora back when there was sales, and then I opened my package and the concealer wasn't there, it was missing. So then I emailed them and they said that it's sold out, but for some reason I still paid for it. And I'm still waiting for the refund to come through, so that was a bit annoying. Alright, so I'm still not that confident with cream contour and blush and just using creams in general. I'm still way better with powders, but I'm just trying to practice and get better at it. I really do like the effect of it because it makes your makeup look more skin-like and just natural. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Truffle Matchsticks for contour. It looks really dark, but then I used it the other day and it blended out really nicely on my skin. So I just draw a line on my cheekbone. Make sure you're going upwards And then I just go around my forehead and along the jawline too. I'm using this OLIVIA Face Paint 109 brush to blend it. This is a new brush I got, and I'm liking it for concealer. I mean, not concealer, contour. Okay, this looks a bit crazy. I realized I forgot that I need to put concealer. I also put it on my forehead when I'm not doing foundation and I just want to keep it super natural. Put it on my forehead, nose and chin, and then also like just some here under the contour. I usually do that before the contour. I've already stuffed up, guys. Fail! Alright, so concealer and contour is done. And then I usually do cream blush next. I'm just going to do my eyebrows though because I don't like looking at them like this. I use the Benefit Goof Proof brow pencil in the shade 4.5. It's just my go-to. I've been using it for I think a couple years now. It's just the best. I just lightly fill them in. I used to fill in my eyebrows really like thick and dark, and now I'm the opposite. I just want them to look fluffy and natural. And this brush is just great for like spreading out the pencil and making them look really natural. Okay, so for cream blush, I have the Fenty little cream blushes, but I'm going to use this NARS liquid blush in Dolce Vita. This is a new purchase, and when I first used it, I put way too much. It is a really strong pigmented blush, but then it kind of sinks into the skin, so I'm a bit on and off like whether I get it on point or not, because I always put too little or too much. So it comes with a little pump, and I'm just going to use my fingers. Let's get this right. When you first put it on, it looks really like intense. I'm not good at this whole blush thing. I don't know if I put too much, but let's move on. The most amazing liquid highlighter is this Iconic London Illuminator in the color Original. So I just put like 2 drops on each side and use my finger to blend it out. I got sent this and it's like a little tester bottle, and whenever I try to buy the actual normal sized one, it's always sold out. So I think it's very, very popular, but it's so pretty and dewy and very natural. I like to bring it up here as well. A little goes a long way with that highlighter. You don't want to use too much or you'll just look like oily and sweaty. But yeah, so what I mean when I say I have oily skin is like I can't go out with just cream products. Like I'm jealous of people that can just put cream on and look so like glowy, but I just look like oily and shiny, so I do need to set my face at the end with powder. Okay, and then I use a bronzer from Becca. It's the Sunlit bronzer in a Panama Sun. Ipanema? This is a new purchase as well, and this is my favorite bronzer ever. It's so creamy, buttery, natural. It's got slight shimmer. It's perfect for this look that I'm going for. It's a really nice shade as well, but just going on the forehead. Brush is old from Sportsgirl and it's called Sportsgirl Bronze. Just very lightly applying that. This will just add some extra shape on my cheekbones and kind of set the contour as well. For these kind of looks, I don't really put eyeshadow. If I do want to put something, I'll put a bit of bronzer in my crease, so I'll do that. So just taking that same bronzer and then using this Revlon crease shadow brush, just lightly going through my crease with the bronzer. Then I'm going to use this Becca Champagne Pop Shimmering Skin Perfector. Best powder highlighter ever. I've had this for a while and I'm sure I've used it in some of my other videos. But I'm just going to go in the corners of my eyes and lightly put a bit of that. Chuck a bit of that on. I feel incomplete if I don't put highlighter in my inner corner. And then also on the brow bone lightly. You don't want to pack on too much because you don't want to make it look powdery. So that's it for eyeshadow. I don't like to pack too much on the eyes for natural glowy looks like this. We're going to go in with the mascara, and I've been loving this Marc Jacobs one. It's called Blancure at Lashed Lifting and Volumizing Mascara, Marc Jacobs. It looks like this. Just curling my lashes. I actually have a heated eyelash curler, but it's run out of batteries, and they are amazing. I love how like it keeps your lash, it's like a temporary lash lift for the day. So I do use that, but I just need to get new batteries. Besides this, my other favorite mascara is probably the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. So I gave in to the trend and I got the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I mean, I see a lot of makeup artists use it at shoots, and I'm like, maybe I should just invest in it and get it, because I normally use normal foundation powders and not really translucent powders. So I got this with the vouchers that I got for my birthday. It's so messy though, I get it everywhere. I'm going to use this Concealer Perfecta Zoeva brush and just set my under eyes. It's tricky with setting because I want to put a lot of powder, but I don't want to put it over the highlight and the blush. So if I'm doing it in the wrong order and triggering some of you, I'm sorry. And just a little bit of powder on the chin. I know like a big brush would make more sense to use, I think. But at shoots, I find that makeup artists always use like a small brush like this to do translucent powder. So yeah, I got this brush as well. I thought this brush was bigger on the app when I'm shopping on Sephora. It looked like a big brush, and then it came and I'm like, it's small. And just in the middle of the forehead. I'm gonna set my brows with the Brow Guru Control Gel from Mecca Max. I love this stuff. It has great hold and it's just a nice clear gel. I feel like it's hard to find good hold clear gels, because in Priceline they're all like brown tinted gels for eyebrows. So I'm just lightly flicking upwards. Sometimes I put too much and it kind of ruins the brows, so I try to be very light with this one. Okay, so most of the time I'll just put pawpaw on my lips, which I have a bit on now, or I will line my lips and then put pawpaw. But today I'll line my lips and I'll show you a new lipstick I got. This is the Macwell lip liner. It's very worn out, as you can see. So this was the first lipstick I think I ever bought as a teenager. It's like the perfect nude, and I haven't had it in years, and then I saw MAC was having a sale, so I got this lipstick. It's the Velvet Teddy one. Thanks to Sammy Robinson, a big Australian influencer. I think she like started the craze on this lipstick. It's a bit pink on me, but yeah, it's so pretty and just kind of nice and natural, gives you a nice flush of pink to your face. Another lip colour that I would use for this look is the Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb. The best lip gloss ever, I think, just with by itself or with lip liner or on top of a lipstick like this. Just makes your lips look so juicy and glossy. It just makes your lips look so juicy and on point. I'm just gonna fix my hair. It's very nice and light. Oh wait a second. I totally forgot. We're not finished yet. We've got to set the face with the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Goldilite, which I used at the start of the video, but let's assess the difference. So this is without the gold setting spray. Shake, shake it, shake it, shake. And this is with the setting spray. Hopefully you can see it looks a bit more dewy. It's hard to see the gold glitter, but yeah, it makes your face look like, I don't know, you've been sweating but you still look good. Like, it's very dewy. Yeah, I'm obsessed with that spray. I think I'm gonna finish it in like a couple weeks. It's so good. So that's the finished look. I hope you liked this tutorial. Let me know what you want to see next on my channel. Hopefully this helped you out if you weren't sure how to do cream contour and cream blush and all that. I'm still learning myself, but I think it turned out great. Side note, how cute are these earrings? I did a big order at the Silver Collective. I did a shoot for them last week and I just fell in love with all their jewellery, and I was like, are you guys having a sale soon? Because I'm gonna buy a lot of stuff. So I got these really cute earrings. I got these rings. I want to get more rose gold jewellery, but their stuff is so nice. Not sponsored, I wish, but I was so excited to do a shoot with them. Their stuff is so nice. Even these little like second earrings. I don't know if it looks weird in that whole I don't know, but that's a rose gold one. That's gold. My mum and Fabian got me Christmas presents from there as well. I've just been raving about it. So that's my bling bling. Oh, that bracelet too, just in case any of you are wondering where my jewelry is from. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.